everyone! Today I will be showing you how you can make this really fun macrame zigzag pattern using a cool braided element. Let's get started. Start by attaching 4 cords to your dowel rod with a lark's head knot. I'm going to take the rope here all the way on the far right and point it down, diagonal, and to the left. And with the remaining cords, I will tie 7 double half hitch knots around this leading rope, starting with the first cord on the right. Just like that. Now we're going to start the fun braided pattern. To do this, I'm going to take the 3 cords here on the right side. The very far cord is going to tie around the next 2 cords with a half hitch knot. So I'm going to send that right cord behind those 2 other cords to form a loop. Then I'm just going to twist it around and pull it through the loop and pull it tight so it's right underneath the double half hitch knots. Now I'm going to drop that far right cord and take the next cord to the right, and I'm going to tie this cord the same way around the next 2 cords. Pull it tight so it sits right underneath the last section. Now drop that working cord we just used. You're going to add in a 3rd cord and then take the new one on the right around the next 2 cords. You can drop that cord, add a 3rd cord back to the grouping. The new right cord ties around the next 2 cords. Just like that. So you will see this really fun braided pattern following beneath that line of double half hitch knots. So now we're going to take our zigzag pattern and work from left to right. But this time we're going to start with our braided pattern. So I'm going to take the cords all the way on the far left this time. The cord on the far left is going to go behind the next 2 cords to tie our half hitch knot. Pull it up top next to that last braided knot before. Then drop the left cord we just used, add another cord to the group of 3, take the new left cord behind, around, and through. So it's the same process as before, only working from left to right. Just like that. So as you can see, it is very possible to make your diagonal line with this braid pattern. So if you are somebody who doesn't really like using double half hitch knots, or maybe they're a little trickier for you, you can make this complete pattern by excluding the double half hitch knots, okay? But now if you do like double half hitch knots, we're going to make another line of those following from left to right below our braid. So take the cord on the far left, point it down to the right, and tie 7 double half hitch knots. Now to continue on with the zigzag pattern, I'm going to be working from right to left. Now on this section, you have the option between starting with your braid pattern or starting with the double half hitch knots. So I'm going to start with my braid pattern this time. So I'm just going to take the right cord behind the next 2 cords and tie that half hitch knot. And then finally, if you are doing your double half hitch knots, you're going to want to make 1 more row of those double half hitch knots below the braid pattern. And there we go, our fun little braided zigzag pattern is now complete. So I hope you guys found this video helpful and inspiring, and thank you so much for watching.